In the current business world, there is an increasing demand for online business ideas. The internet is full of opportunities and possibilities, and it is essential to find the right online business model to generate a consistent profit. The key to success is to identify new and innovative ideas that can be implemented and to determine the best strategy for achieving your financial goals. One of the most popular online business ideas is creating an e-commerce website. This option is ideal for people who want to start selling products without the need for a physical store. It can be used to sell items such as clothing, jewelry, electronics, and more. Additionally, you can use the website to promote and advertise your products, as well as to build relationships with customers. Another popular option is creating a subscription-based business. This involves selling access to digital content such as videos, audio files, or online courses. The advantage of this model is that it can generate recurring income, as customers will need to renew their subscriptions on a regular basis. Additionally, it is possible to automate the process and make it more profitable. Social media can also be used to generate profit. You can create your own blog, channel, or profile in order to build a following and then use it to promote your products and services. Additionally, you can use social media to drive traffic to your website, build relationships with potential customers, and increase brand awareness. Overall, there are many online business ideas that can be used to generate a profit. It is important to carefully evaluate all the options and determine which one is the best fit for your particular business. Additionally, it is important to find the right strategies and tools to ensure that you are able to achieve your financial goals. With the right approach and dedication, it is possible to create a successful and profitable online business.